Hey, it's Andrew here, one half of the Andrew and Phil show. I have my 2009 Toyota Highlander here that I just picked up in Nashville. There's another video on YouTube about that, so be sure to check that out. It may be released now, I don't know. I barely can get my day straight. Anyways, I have this Meguiar's PlastX compound here that's supposed to restore headlights. So supposedly I can rub this on the headlights with just a microfiber towel. Don't need a drill, don't need a buffer or anything like that. And it'll make them look new and clear this up a little bit. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I already just took a regular, car detailing spray, and I sprayed this off and cleaned it, and then I also masked off the headlight as well as the fog light down here. I didn't show that because, well, you should get the picture if you're watching this video, right? So anyways, let's just get right to it. I'm going to put this compound onto this microfiber towel here, and then I'm going to rub it on the headlight, and we'll see how it goes. Of course, it always helps if you take the sticker off. It doesn't say to shake it, but I'm going to give it a shake just in case. Alright, let's see how it goes. Alright. Yeah, I masked the headlight here because it said to try and keep it away from your paint. I just used some regular old masking tape, or paint masking tape for that. So that way it doesn't get on the paint. But smells good though. I don't know. For some reason I like those chemical smells. We'll just put it on the headlight. Ooh. Oh no. A little bit got on the paint there. That's why it's a 2009 though, right? We don't care that much. Probably another good reason why we should just keep it on the... Oh wow. You can actually see where it's actually working and kind of doing its job. We just keep applying this on here until we kind of get the desired effect. So while I'm wiping this compound on there, before it dries, the direction says to use a clean microfiber towel. So that's what I'm trying to do. Huh. I think I can kind of starting to see a little bit of a difference here. So now that I did the headlights, I'm going to try the fog light out. I already did a little bit off camera, but I'm just going to do another little rub on it with the compound. A little bit of some wax on, wax off. Alright, now it's time to wax off. And wow, so for what little work I'm doing, I'm actually have to say I'm pretty impressed, because I think this bottle only costs like $7 or $8. I barely used any of it, and like I can tell a difference. Looking at these two sides of the headlights, when you look at the passenger side and you look at the driver's side, now I'm not saying it's a night and day difference, but you can definitely tell a difference in clarity on it. So my mother, she was able to tell the difference. She came by and checked it out. Of course, she didn't want to be on camera, you know, but I don't know. I'd say for $8, this is definitely worth it. For just what little bit of work that it did, I'm pretty happy with the results. So I'm going to go ahead and do the driver's side, and let's see how they clean up. I'm definitely happy for how it turned out with what little work I've done to it. So I definitely recommend Meguiar's PlastX, and I'll put a link in the comments section. Take it easy, everybody. See you next time.